Take a ride in the 2016 IS 200T. The Lexus IS 200T is a luxurious compact sedan that is extremely nimble, has a dynamic look, and provides all the bells and whistles you would need. Sit behind the wheel and you'll see why this is a vehicle everyone is clamoring about and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 75,000 miles. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.